Please excuse my camera cutting me off. I zoomed the lens in too far and it cut me off. Anyway, long story short, here is the hub. You can see all the markings on there. So look at the top. There's some sort of board revision number or something on here. Look at that, shall we? Part number 141951720027J, revision 01. And on the other side, which is the front side of the hub, you have the serial number, MAC address, something else, and some other label here with a barcode on it. Not sure what that means. Yeah, there's the two LEDs. That's what produces a light, the status light at the front of the hub. That's what makes it change colour. There's your 4 gigabit Ethernet ports there, and you've got your plastic through-hole stakes there to hold the connector shell in place. You've got your CPU components on the back. Passives, capacitors, resistors, etc. Don't know what they're for, don't know the names of those, but they're for something to do with the CPU. There's some sort of chipset there. Whoop, focus, will you? Okay, haywire. And yeah, that is basically all I can show you at the moment. That's the inside of the EE Smart Hub, also known as the BT Smart Hub, but this is a slightly different version. The plastics are slightly different, and the yeah, let's show you around the plastics. Look, so what I was trying to say to you earlier was this. There's your spring out feet. These things flip out like a catapult. Ready? Watch. Boing. Little things, please, little minds. Okay, and you've got the tabs all around, you see? One. This camera, honestly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the top edge of the hub. Then you've got the bottom edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. There's no more at the sides at all. It's just little plastic stumps. I presume they're to do with sprue or moulding methodology in the factory for making the plastic. I'm not sure. Anyway, what else do you want to see? Power switch and jack input just here. These are, I think, Ethernet filters. I think these are some sort of filtering or maybe Ethernet transformers. I don't actually know. I'm not very well read up on this stuff. There's I'm an electronic engineer, but I'm not very well read up on Ethernet transceivers or transformers. Here we have the VDSL. Well, yeah, it is actually an ADSL compatible router as well. So ADSL stroke VDSL input socket. Camera, come on, behave yourself. And you've got some sort of surge, a 3-leg surge suppressor there. It could be a spark gap, but it's probably a surge suppressor. I think that's a octo isolator there. I think that's an octo isolator, yes. Anyway, I'm talking too much, so I'm going to go now. Yeah, that's the inside of the EE Smart Hub. See ya!